Hello and welcome back, ladies and gents. Today we are actually going to get the prices working when we modify the quantity. So let's say I have a product here. You notice that the quantity works, right? But the price doesn't update. So that's what we're going to do today. And if we have time, also update the total. Okay, let's just jump right into it. So this will be views POS and should be here. Let's see. Yep, should be right there. All right, so if you check, we are controlling everything with the current cart, right? So when we add a product, we are adding it to the cart, and when we control the quantity of it, we modify it in the cart itself. All right, so what we're gonna do is when we increase the quantity, we just want to increase the price as well. So let's go up here and let's just do price. Price is gonna be equal to the float of style.price, right, like that. And then when we're increasing, we will simply do, let's see, actually I think actually what I'm gonna do is oh, this is actually gonna be pretty simple. We don't need that. We'll just do quantity is equal to that, and then data price, and then this is just gonna be equal to whatever the price was before, right? And we're just gonna multiply that by quantity, right? Like that. Hopefully that does it. So let's just run it and check. Alright, there we go. Let's increase it to 2, and you see it gets reflected over there. So now the next thing is let's just fix the total of our cart here. Alright, so for the total, let's see if we can find it. Right here. So this is current total, as you can see here. Let's go back to so first we want to add to the total when we add a product. All right, this is important, obviously. So what we're gonna do is current total. Let's go to add product, and let's do just after adding to the current cart, let's update the total. So this is gonna be plus equal to the float of the data, the price in that data. All right, and let's round it to 2 decimal places, you know, just in case it gets messed up. So let's just round that, do that, and then actually I'm gonna create a convenience function for this because we don't want to be doing the same thing over and over again. So I'm just gonna do update total, which doesn't really need to take anything. So what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna take that, and we just want to take the children of this. So this is gonna be the products. So if you remember, GL receipt is this one, so the grid that contains the current items in your cart. So we're going to take all of those items and we're going to basically get the price from all of them, add it up to a total, and then update our total. It's that simple. So I'm just gonna do we'll see in prod. Alright, so we know that every item that's gonna be in our GL receipts is gonna be a product tile, and every product tile has to have a price. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're simply going to get that price and add it to our total. So just gonna do total is equal to 0 for now, and then gonna paste that one back in, remove all of this, and this is gonna be the round of c.price. Alright, that should pretty much do it. So then down here we can now say self.current total is equal to our new total. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is whenever we do updates, what we're gonna do is we're gonna call this function. So on current cut, which does the updating for us, we're actually gonna do our update total after we're done adding the things to our total, to our to our grid views. All right, and then finally on where is it? All right, so self the current card is gonna be updated here. So all we have to do is just add it there. So now let's run this again. All right, just gonna add that, and you see the total gets updated. Okay, awesome. All right, so 600. So you see, even now when we just add another product, the total will get updated as we go. That's awesome. All right, so for this one, I'm actually just gonna stop it here. All right, because didn't want to make it long. So if you have any questions regarding what we just did, leave it in the comment section. Otherwise, as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for the love and the subscriptions. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next time.